Hi YouTube, welcome back. I'm Roscoe and this is my lovely assistant Courtney. She's going to show you this really cool product that we found on Amazon.
So I was holding a party where it was themed and everybody had to bring a drink that was the same color as their theme and they had to dress up in that color. And so as being the party host, I wanted to do gold. It was really hard to find something that was gold. A lot of things were like the Goldschlager and everything like that, but I wanted to be really creative. And then I found this thing called luster dust. And so it is an edible dust that you put into a drink. And then whenever it settles, it looks kind of like this. And then you shake it up and it becomes almost potion-like. And it really doesn't take a whole lot. And this just was a really, really fun touch. And so I made a drink that I had found online and then I added the dust, and I actually also found these little shot glasses on Amazon as well. And they came with a little tubes that I could pour it in, so that made it a little funnel, so that made it really easy to fill them up. And they weren't very expensive or anything, so everybody got their own little shot glass. So we are going to show you what it looks like to use the luster dust. And this one's called an edible dust powder, and I got the gold one.
We will link the luster dust and these little bottles down in the description of the video down below here.
So whenever you take it out of the little box, it comes in this little container. And it really doesn't take much. You want to do it?
Oh man, she's gonna leave it to me to spill the gold dust everywhere.
It just takes a little bit, and this is just plain water.
This is water. What's in the little shot bottles was peach schnapps and Moscato. Is that what?
Peach vodka, Moscato, yeah.
Peach vodka.
So it just takes a little bit.
That looks kind of cool too, but then I haven't enough.
So you can also determine how sparkly you want it to be based on how much you put into it. So as you can see, he did just a little bit and it isn't overly colored. So if you're looking for just kind of a sparkle to your drink, you can add just a little bit. If you're trying to completely transform the color of your drink, you can add a little bit more. That's something that you can just play around with the amount that you want to add.
That looks kind of cool like that. It's like suspended in there and you can see all the way through it. That looks pretty cool.
And one of the great parts about the luster dust is you can't taste it at all. So there is no distinct taste to it. You can't even tell that it's in the drink at all. So it makes it really fun for parties and you can add it to anything.
Okay, that was with just a little bit. Now I'm gonna add some more. This is probably double what I had in there the first time.
So this could be really fun for different types of parties. One of the things that I really liked about it is it kind of makes it look like a potion. So that was kind of my theme, was more potion-like, but it could be great for holiday parties as well.
Yeah, I think this would look really cool in some champagne because the bubbles will be fizzing through there constantly, kind of stirring it up. So that might be something fun to try for New Year's, would be the gold champagne. So we'll probably use the rest of this at New Year's time for that. We thought this was really cool. Again, we'll link the product down below in the description of the video. The luster dust comes in all different colors. This was the gold color that we were using for the party. Thanks for watching Roscoe Reviews. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you back here next time.